his septum in his snout, and his home health care aide had to suddenly go home because of excessive itching. And excuse me if I look kind of covered in stuff, but I've got this cream on me.
Hold on, help!
It's permethrin cream. And the side effect of it is this. It says in the box, mild transient. This mild transient burning and tingling and kind of this itching, and I have it in my nose because I got some kind of scaly things in my snout, and the permethrin cream is tingling, and the tingling makes me.
This is highly contagious! Oink! Let's go!
I got cream on my scabies, okay? But anyhow, we need to shop.
Oink.
Somebody help me shop.
Are you contagious?
Well, I've got the permethrin cream on, and I haven't been flaking as much as I was.
Stay over there, okay?
Well, okay, but we gotta
Stay under
so
this
let's see what's on TV. I gotta go shopping today.
Turn on!
Oh, let's turn it up.
And the price on these means it's the first day at this lower.
What are they selling?
They are 5 easy payments
Cella
of $4.54.
3-piece
But this
Clear
one's $7.56.
Fridge Bin
And
set
then
with
this one's
handle.
$7.56, and this one is
Okay.
$7.56. These are refrigerators.
Okay, refrigerator.
And the liner on the inside comes out for easy cleaning, but it also has an antimicrobial agent too.
Oh, antimicrobial. Okay, I'll tell you why I need that.
Because you're dummy.
I'll tell you.
Because you're a walking petri dish, that's why.
Okay, this would be perfect for my cousin
We do have
Wilburette.
the Glacier Gray.
Okay, what are the
And then
colors?
last but not least,
Okay,
we have
wait.
the redwood. Now, the price goes up at the end
White
of the day.
and redwood.
And
Okay, I saw a blue thing too.
This
Oh, and she's got white. Okay. Goodbye. This is perfect for my cousin Wilburette. She pumps her own milk, and she kept. Well, what happened was she always pumps her own milk for her little oinkers, and she kept it in an open container. She was doing that for a little bit, and one day in the fridge, in this open container, the bottle. The reason why she keeps it like in an open container is to keep it as chilled as possible. And so, this open container of milk was sitting next to a chocolate cake, and it picked up the aroma of a chocolate cake and some crumbs. And for the cake dropped on in it, and the icing did too, and it turned the milk chocolatey. And Wilburette did not think too much of it, because she's a busy mom and does not like to waste food, and so the little oinkers drank this chocolatey milk, and they refused for a while to drink the plain milk, and so she had to keep turning their milk into chocolate cake flavor. Oh, how much is it, by the way?
QVC price $25.
Okay.
And 3 easy payments of $5. No. Shipping and handling is $5.50.
Okay, well, I think I'll have to think how many sets I want. How many are in a set?
3.
Okay, well, anyhow, they got so addicted to this chocolate milk, and she had to keep making this chocolatey cake-flavored milk, that they ended up getting hyperactivity, and so now she's been on this weaning program where the doctor told her to make the milk a little less chocolate-flavored every day. But maybe this won't ever happen again once they're weaned off of the chocolate cake flavored milk, because she gets these separate bins to put the milk in, and they have high sides, and she can be more organized. You know what? We need to think of colors, though. I really like blue.
What about white? It's neutral.
They have the antimicrobial liners in them, she said.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, that's what the different colors are, the liners. Okay.
How about if we listen a minute?
And I love that. And that was the whole reason we created Cella, was to bring calm to the chaos. And, the kitchen is the heart of our home, and we wanted to bring easy solutions to that. And so I love that about Jerry. And he's so right. I mean, you can see everything that you need because it has those nice, clear, high sides.
Okay, that's good. Because then we could all be more organized. She has to be careful about wasting money and stuff, because, if she doesn't, she's got fruits and veggies that roll around in the fridge, and then they get moldy, and then, the mold could get in the little oinkers milk, and then not to mention gets money down the drain. So, and the air conditioning repair guy says that he can't keep replacing the freon in the air conditioner.
I have my marinades in here already.
Oh, you can use it for other things too, not just the fridge. Well, anyhow, and he can't keep putting more freon in because the leak keeps getting bigger and bigger, and it's hard to fix. And he told her she would really come out ahead if she gets a new air conditioner. So not wasting food is critical, and these bins will help her save for a new air conditioner.
Okay. Alright, I know.
I was just gonna get one set, one for me, one for her. You know what? Since she's got babies, it looks nice to have everything white and stare on a refrigerator. On the other hand, she likes color. The Wedgwood is, what is that? That burnt orange is different. You know what? Get the blue.
Redwood.
She likes a little color, and let's get the blue. That would look nice with her refrigerator. And okay, you know what? You can use it.
There were grapes in that fridge.
Okay.
Until.
Okay.
They
Yeah.
took apples and put everything in the bin.
Yeah, they're clear, so you can see what's in there, and that makes it easier. Get 2 sets for her for a total of 6.